So I was going to hold off on this video for a little bit, but I'm kind of excited and I can't see so good. I need my glasses. That's better. So much better. Anyways, the folks over at Insta360 sent me the new X5. Yeah. And just in time because I've got a couple road trips coming up in May and June on the motorcycle and on the slingshot. And I have a lot of early morning departures. And even though I love shooting with the X4, I do, um, it's not fantastic in low light. And there could be some mornings that, you're leaving in the dark. So and I probably still will, use the Ace Pro 2 because it has that pure video. But now the X5 has pure video in it as well. So I'm very, very excited to give that a try. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I got in this package, just so you guys can see what comes in each of the boxes. And there will be a review that comes out later as I actually get a chance to try these. So first and foremost, we'll start with the main thing, because that's what you guys really care about, right? This guy right here. So this is the Insta360, the big 8K 360 action cam. Now the X4 also 8K. So if that's the biggest part, maybe you want to get an X4 and save yourself a couple pennies, you know. But there it is. A few things on here, and again, there's some real big features for me that I'm really looking forward to. Pure video is probably one of them for sure. Um, the replaceable lens is huge, absolutely huge for me because, and I'll show you in a second, some of the things that have happened with my Insta360 cameras. Sad but true. And I had read that the X5, unlike the X4 or previous ones, and just like the Ace Pro 2, can actually now take USB-C microphones. So I can use that for direct plug-in. So again, a huge benefit, right? So if you have a USB-C microphone based, especially a wireless one like I do, you can plug that little receiver into the actual X5. Put the wireless one, like I'll probably put it in my helmet, Bluetooth the two of them, or Wi-Fi, whatever it is, together, and golden, so golden. Anyways, this is what comes in the X5 box because people want to know. People want to know because not everybody, not everybody's out there buying the bundles. There's a few things I actually would like to get. They have that folding that Peter McKinnon kind of talked about. That he had that folding. Invisible stick for the X4. I think I may actually order that because that's one of the things I don't like necessarily carrying around the big stick like this. So being able to have something that you can throw in your pocket, I think is really cool. So I may actually order that. But ready? Oh, ooh! Every moment, any angle, no limits. Very cool. There it is. So we'll take a look at that in a second. Cool. This is going to be where you little QR code to watch your tutorials, get your Insta360 app. I've got it, so we're good. We're good. Does it come with like anything, like a case or anything like that? So yeah, you get a little, you get some silica gel. So as I always say, best not to eat that. You're gonna have all your manual goodness. That's just going right back in there. And of course, you do get yourself a little case, right? This is a pretty standard case that comes with all the Insta360 cameras. So in there, you're going to get your USB-C cable and a little cleaning cloth. Very cool. That's nice. I'm glad that they gave that to you because it would be sad if you had to carry this around and you're constantly scratching the lens and you're just going through lens protectors. That would be sad. Now, they also sent me a 512 gig SD card. Yes, yes, sir. Because I know for a fact when you are shooting 8K, files can be big, right? 8K 360 files. Now just realize again, it's 8K for both lenses, but they're big. They're very big. So it's nice to have a big card. I usually shoot, if I throw in a 64 gig card, it chews through that like there's no tomorrow. Primarily, I shoot 256 gig cards with my X4 when I shoot in 8K. But 512, two times the amount. which means 2 times the more awesomeness. Yep, that's what it is. This is a replacement lens. So this is probably, again, one of the biggest upgrades, I guess, for the X5 that's out there. So again, you have a little replacement guide, which is cool. I'm just going to show it to you because I don't really want to take too much of it out. There is all the replacement. It comes with one. This is a little blow the dust off to your broken lens. You actually get the lens and you get the removal and reapplication tool inside here. Maybe this is the lens. I don't know. Maybe this is, yeah, that's going to be the lenses. Oh, disposable gloves. Because you're a doctor now. Yes, you are a doctor. Lens cleaning, silica gel, all kinds of good stuff in there. But you know what? I would probably, honestly, I'm going to say I would probably have 1 or 2 of these, probably 2 of them for sure, just on standby with me, like all the time. Because again, I have an issue with breaking Insta360 cameras, so I don't want to say that's true. But I'm going to show you my X3, and I'm going to show you one of my X4s because I have 2 of those. So hold on a sec. Now, I'm not 100% sure which one of these is which. This is the X4, of course. A little dirty because, again, I use this, right? Rain, shine, mud, it don't matter. I use it. And I always carry, always have lens protectors on it. So I don't know if this one has it. Yeah, this one has it. It may be hard to see, but right in there, there's just a small, tiny little chip on the lens, right? Little guy. So it puts a little tiny, like a smudge on there that you just can't get rid of. It's just no way. But this is, again, I am rocking the actual premium. This is the premium lens guards for this. So again, great, protects it, awesome, right? So if anything happens to this, cool, you can replace the lens guards. But I find because they're not sealed, right? What happens is you ride in the rain like I do, and then dust gets inside, moisture gets inside, dirt gets inside. And if you're not constantly cleaning it, or you think you got it all cleaned and you shoot a whole bunch of stuff, and then there's like little spots, right, all over your image, and you're like, oh, I guess I didn't get it as clean as I wanted, or I should have gotten. So you end up with a super smudgy image, dirty image. Or like me here, see this one? Super dirty. Because I did have, this is the X3. And the X3, you could get lens guards, right? But they stuck on. They didn't screw on like on the X4. So this side is pretty good. But what happened is, and you can see how much of a beating this has on it? Oh, look at that. I ended up having this in the back of the motorcycle, and the screw, the mount wasn't on tight enough, and as it was going, it just kind of fell and fell and fell and fell and fell. It chewed through the whole lens guard, and then chewed through the lens. See that? See how nice that is? So I could shoot this in like a solo mode if I wanted to, but that side, no. On the X5, I just swapped the lens. How amazing. So amazing. So, there are a lot of people who were like, oh, the X5 is not that big of a deal. It is a big deal. That lens being able to just replace the lenses yourself, I think it's like $30, probably like $30 US. So $800 Canadian. No, probably my guess. I haven't looked. 40, 45 bucks, probably somewhere in that range would be my guess. Maybe more, maybe less. I don't know. Anyways, and last but not least on my list of goodies is this. So we all get selfie sticks. The selfie sticks is for the Invisi stick, right, as they call it, the bullet time selfie stick 2.0. Not that I use bullet time very much, but I don't have a bullet time stick. No, I don't. So this gives you another manual, which is that. Oh, that's the other thing that's cool. So as you'll notice on the X3, the X4, tripod mount, yes, that's kind of it, right? You can buy adapters for it to have the quick release, but it's got the quick release mounts on it just like the Ace Pro, so you can magnet, pop, magnet, pop. Thank you. Fantastic. Very good. Last but not least, there is this. Oh, that's nice, right? You got a lock, unlock. So it can just be, I like it too, because it is just friction based, so it's just, which is nice. I have the older ones that you have to like twist to unlock. But that's got some good friction. And you know what? That's decently long. Yes, decently long. And then you have this little guy here that you can unlock. So you go to unlock mode, and then I think, here, there it goes. It bends. Ooh. So now you can do the old woohoo lasso like you are on Yellowstone or something like that, I guess. I just finished watching Yellowstone last night. I just did. Yep. And then lock this back up, I guess, right? Just kind of flip it this way. No. Flip it this way. Nope. Flip it this way so this goes down. There we go. I'm a rock star. I'm not a rock star, but I do okay. I do okay. Anyways, again, this isn't a review. I just kind of wanted to show you what I got, what you could get. I think this is a really good base bundle. Now, of course, if you were someone that rides motorcycles, this is like your first Insta360 360 camera, then I would definitely look at the motorcycle bundle, because you get all the different clamps and all that, which I have already, so I don't really need it. And they have all kinds of different like bundles based on your needs, etc., etc. I probably will actually get some extra batteries. I have a ton of batteries for my X4. I don't know if they work the same, if they're the same, battery. I'm curious. That is the new battery. Yes, new battery. Hold on. X4 battery. And of course, no, they're different. You can even tell by the size, right? The shape. So the connectors are different. The connectors are down here versus up here. I need more batteries. All right, guys. That's my little first look unboxing. I didn't even show you the camera. What the idiot, right? So, don't put the wrong battery in here. That's going to go back in there. Now, a lot of people also were playing that, to be able to use this, and I get it. You have to register with the app. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Anyways, tripod mount, clamp mount, has a wind protector for the sound, right? So if you're riding a motorcycle, which I will test, you don't get that sound that goes on. Super cool. Battery is there. These are like quick changes. This is your power on off. This is this is moved too. This is down here now. So this is where your USB-C charging is, which is nice. This would be just like the other ones. You can pop this off if you want to run a USB-C mic. I don't know if you need to now, just because of the way it's positioned. I'm curious. Hold on. Here we go. Yes. Will that just fit in there? It goes in. Does it go in deep enough? That's the question with this one. I'm curious. I'm going to power it on just because I have to. Do I get any lights? Any lights show up? Yes. So it does go in deep enough. Boom. Right? You guys see that? So we are rocking and rolling. Haha, I don't even have to take the door off. That's kind of nice, actually. All right, guys. I'm going to leave you there. I'm excited. You'll be seeing a whole bunch of videos coming up with this shortly. Coming up with this camera, and in comparison to my X4, and possibly in comparison with the Ace and the Ace Pro. So make sure you hit the little notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. Do all the cool stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I kind of say it. And I will see you guys next video. And I'll have links down below if you guys want to pick up one. Because again, it doesn't cost you any more. Helps me to get some of the other cool little accessories to show you guys. All right, my friends. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next video. Later.